guys, welcome back to another video. So sorry about the lighting, it's getting a little dark right now, but just got a package. I'm really excited that this has finally arrived because it kind of completes the outside of the car just a little bit more. But all right, so there's the box right there, and there it is mounted. As you can see, it looks great. Not just kidding. So we actually have to get this bad boy unboxed, but I'm extremely happy because it's gonna just really tie the whole car together. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this unpackaged and see how it looks. All right, so for anybody that has any concerns from ordering and getting their Adro stuff shipped, as you can see, I mean, from my last video, it spoke for itself as how it's packaged, but this is amazing. Like, you don't really have to worry about this thing ever taking a beating because of how much padding they put on it. So we're gonna go ahead and start. These are gonna probably be the end plates right here for the side. So we're gonna get this thing unpackaged, and I'm gonna start removing the OEM spoiler. Haven't checked, but it looks like it should be somewhere behind here. So I'm gonna just pop this panel off. Pretty sure this is how you pop it off. If not, we're about to find out. So yeah, don't want to break any of these clips. Comes right out, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be this, and this, because there's three. There might be one on the side too. So I'm gonna take off these three and then kind of see how it feels. And then if I have to, pretty sure we could just pop this off by removing this screw. And then this will probably release this. So I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, unbox, and then we're gonna go ahead and see how much more we need to remove. All right, so real quick update. Don't try removing this. I don't know why I even bothered trying pulling from this first and broke it, so I'm an idiot. I have to find a new piece for that, but this does not have to be removed. I put the screw back on and put this piece back on. There's actually two rubber caps right here that will expose two 10mm bolts on this side and two on that side. So I have everything laid right here. I have it already loosened. So these are already loose, and after I release those four, it should release it, and I could be able to unplug the electrical connections afterwards. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue removing it and see how it goes. All right, so the OEM spoilers removed. Just a heads up, there is 3M tape that holds this thing down, so it's kind of feels like it doesn't want to come up, but just be gentle with it, and you know, as you're pulling up on it. So other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and just start cleaning this up a little bit, and then removing the unpackaging that, and then going from there, guys. So all right, guys, so now that I have the OEM spoiler off, you can see she looks like a funny little egg now. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do is that they want you to go ahead and to install these first onto the carbon spoiler, and then from there, these are gonna be, it looks like, the mounting points that go into there. So they give me, where did I put it? These were inside of there. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna remove those for right now, so I don't forget when I go to try to attach it and it doesn't make any contact with the OEM spoiler. So this is gonna be mounting on top. I'm gonna be removing the top piece, and I'm gonna be keeping the bottom base of the spoiler that houses the black, not the black, the red triangle light, and it's gonna utilize that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff connected and put it up. All right, guys, so sorry that I haven't really been recording much, but just wanted to go ahead and just show you real quick. So this is the OEM top part of the spoiler removed. So you can see this right here, and you can see the two screw holes that hold on the side, and then the three in the middle. Bless me, sorry. And the remaining two. So this will mount up to the stock location, Adro wing, bottom portion of the OEM spoiler. And these are gonna be supplied from Adro, these Allen screws, and those go into the OEM location. So, I mean, they have the spoiler drilled already so it can mount in. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe it down real quick and then go ahead and install it and see how it looks. Alrighty, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I have Emily helping me hold this up, and I'm just gonna put the first couple bolts in to just make sure it doesn't move. And after I put these in, we can let it go. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed the Adro wing. If anybody has any questions on any type of installation, you're more than welcome to message me on Instagram or comment down below, and we'll be more than happy to help you guys. So thank you guys.